to hug the most beautiful, the best among the best, the number one. I know people. The number one.
Thank you so much.
Chai, my country people, it feels so good to see late Junior Pope's wife back on her feet again. I really thank Baba God for the strength where she showered on her. It no dey easy. Thank God for strength, because without God's strength, this woman for no come this far. Imagine losing a loved one, your husband. Hey, I know wherever JP is now, he will be very happy that his lovely wife is back on her feet. You understand the strength of a mother. Now that the father is no more, all the burden is tied on her. Hey God, it's not gonna be easy. It won't be easy, but as God may have it, so far so good, is going on fine. All thanks to Baba God. So today is Regina Daniels' children's birthday. Her first child was born on June 29, 2020, and the second one was born on June 29th, 2022. The timing day bad, sha. So Junior Pope's wife, late Junior Pope's wife, was invited. She's a decor. Like, she's the baddest when it comes to Asaba. So she was invited, and thankfully she made it, and boom, she did the magic. I'm so happy, seriously. I'm so happy for her. Even though I know it will not be an easy journey, but by the grace of God, she will bounce back fully. A happy birthday to Regina Daniels' children. They're easy to give birth to two handsome kids. Hello. At the same day, be like saying that twins. We just give themselves 2 years apart. The other one say, "Oh yeah, go first. I'm on my way. Go first." Our Paned Woko is a very sharp shooter, and the receiver, you bow. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to follow this channel for more news with the tutorial body. Nana see they do for my page. No dull moment at all. As in they cook come now, so they carry con give on. I still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Cindy Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos, share to your friends, share to your neighbors, share to your families, share to even your enemies. The larger the family here, the more fun it is. Hello. Okay, now stay safe out there. Bye.